Hey, today we are doing a 1 year update of this beauty, so stick around. Hello friends, Ben here with another video. Thank you very much for tuning in, and if today is your first time visiting this channel, I would like to encourage you to look around in the channel and see what we got to offer. I assure you, you will find something that will catch your interest. If you're a regular visitor in this channel, I would like to say thank you very much for all your support. I really appreciate it. And for today's video, I thought to go back to memory lane and do a quick update on my 1-year-old Thursday boot. Something that I would like to get out of the way, the first thing is I am not being paid by Thursday Boot for making this video. These are just the thoughts that I have on their product, and I thought I'd share them with you. So I hope you enjoy. I know there is many people out there Googling and looking for style of boots that they would like to check out. So I thought making this video was a good idea. If you're not familiar with Thursday Boot, that's the name of the company. They are fairly new. I think they've been around for about 4 or 5 years, and they specialize in developing footwear, mostly boot. They offer product for ladies, for gentlemen, and recently they had added a line of Oxford style of shoes. I really like their philosophy, and I really like their products too. These ones here are a pair of boots. They're called the Captains. They're one of the main reasons that made me choose Thursday Boot when I was looking for a new pair of casual boots to wear on the fall season was that I found them to be fairly priced compared with the other options I had at the time. And I really like the style that they were offering too. This one's here is called the Captains. It is a cap toe boot. They have a triple stitching in all the stitches, and they are made of a real leather. And they have this all around Goodyear stitching that allows you to recraft the boot in case that the sole worn out. The sole is made of this high density rubber that allows you to have some comfort while wearing this for long periods of time. So I really like this style of boots, and like I said, I think they are fairly priced. I'm actually considering to get a second pair of Thursday boot. Not this style again. I am looking at their Chaka boot or their boots. And I think at some point I will be picking up another pair of boots from them. Actually, Thursday Boot is a company that I would like to have the opportunity to work with them in the future if I'm allowed to. So that's all I have for this video. Thank you very much for tuning in. I really hope you consider to leave a comment in the comment section, letting us know or sharing your experience with other boot companies that you have tried or other style of boot that you happen to love and we may not know about them. And I will also appreciate if you consider to connect with me in other social media platforms. I will make available the links for my Instagram, my Twitter account, my Facebook account in the description of this video. I will also appreciate if you consider to share the content of this channel with other people you may know it will enjoy this kind of conversation. So that's all for me now. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, stay well. Bye.